Hey guys, in this video we will learn history of the earth, how the earth was formed. How old is our earth? Scientists believe that our earth was formed approximately 4.54 billion years ago. About 14 billion years ago, there was a massive explosion which the scientists later named the Big Bang. It released radiations, particles and the huge clouds of atom, dust and gas. Our earth is believed to have been born as a result of this Big Bang. Our earth is located in a spiral galaxy named the Milky Way, which is a part of the solar system. The solar system also consists of the sun, the moon, the other 7 planets and their moons, numerous comets, asteroids and the minor planets. The solar system was formed from a large rotating clouds of interstellar dust and gas called the solar nebula orbiting the Milky Way's galactic center. The solar nebula was composed of hydrogen and helium, created shortly after the Big Bang. After the Big Bang, particles were floating around in space. The force of gravity pulled the particles together and they began to spin around a center. Some of matter squeezed into a tiny fireball which grew bigger and bigger until it gave birth to the sun. The rest of the molecules kept spinning in a cloud of dust that was left over from the formation of the sun. In time, a few molecules clumped together. Then the clumps began to crash into each other and stick together to make bigger clumps. Finally, there were huge clusters of metals and rock, hundreds of miles across, good enough to be called planets. One such cluster is our planet Earth. Its formation was largely completed over 10 to 20 million years ago. This is a short description of formation of Earth. Thank you guys.